Cleaning the outside of windows can be an awkward and difficult task, but Glider makes the job easy. By moving the cleaning tool on the inside of a window, you can safely clean the outside, or clean both sides at the same time. The secret is Glider's magnetic design. The two parts connect through a window pane with super strong rare earth magnets. A rubber squeegee tackles dirt by moving cleaning solution across the surface, and the microfiber cloth can add polish to the window once it's clean. There are different gliders to suit different window thicknesses, and an attached safety string to make sure you won't drop the outside part in case of a fumble. That's something I was thankful for when I tried Glider out. I cleaned my windows on a 6th-floor apartment and got great results. The T-Roller family set out to make this tough cleaning job easier after a family member broke their hand trying to clean the outside of windows. With 30 years in the cleaning industry, and after 5 years of working on Glider, it's clear they came up with a safer solution.